We are on a leisurely drive to Milford Sound.
Wow. Whoa. Waterfalls everywhere.
When all the research we've read said that there isn't much to see on the road to Milford Sound, but we are going to try and debunk that and find as many interesting and fun things to stop at as possible. The first step is Devil's Staircase.
Devil's Staircase, yeah. Look at that.
Been driving about 20 minutes from Queenstown. Nice little lookout stop over the really windy road that you've just come down. We're stopping the night in a town called Manapouri. Next, we're going to a little town called Kingston.
Let's have a look.
Let's go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna
Welcome to Kingston, tiny little town. It's famous for having like an old school train line, which I think was out of operation for a couple of years, but someone's just bought it. So they've opened up a cafe and we're gonna go check it out. Oh, so it runs every Sunday.
Yeah.
There you go. That's really cool. Look. Online bookings are essential. That's really cool.
That is really cool.
Is it cool or am I just easily entertained? Cool.
Ticket proof. Just be aware that the cafe is closed on a Tuesday, and this is
quite a lot of things in Queenstown seem to close on Tuesday. Like a few things in town, a few things on the way to Milford Sound.
Yeah.
Tuesday must just, I don't know, like they seem to be open Monday, but just not Tuesday. Good to know.
Wow. That steam train.
Whoa! New Zealand Government Railways. So this is the old steam train behind us. At the cafe, there was a sign that said that you can actually take a 1.5-hour trip every Sunday to Fairlight station, which is a little kind of like station out in the middle of nowhere, I think, that we're going to try and stop at. So that'd be a really fun thing to do on a Sunday. It did say on the sign that online bookings are essential, so must book out. But I think it would definitely be a nice thing to do on a Sunday if you're driving to Milford and you want to break up the trip.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
So this is Fairlight Station, pretty much the terminus for the train you would take from Kingston. So it takes about an hour and a half to get here by train, but it took us about 10 minutes from Kingston by a car. Probably a very slow train ride.
Out to the middle of nowhere. Literally like nothing here.
Yeah, it's quite funny to have a station where quite literally you're not even stopping up at a town. There's not even a village here. It's just,
it's just this.
It's just this.
This is it. It's really cute though.
It is cute.
And look at the mountains over there in the distance. Amazing.
You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah.
We just stopped off in Garston, and it's a cool little town with a few things to see.
Cool Art Deco pub. There's a little antique shop. There's a honey place where you can do free honey tastings.
Yeah, and we just got a coffee at the coffee van.
Yeah,
what's it called?
yum. The Coffee Bomb. It's like an old school like Airstream caravan.
Yeah.
So we just had lunch at the Five Rivers Cafe, which is on the main road into Milford. It's really nice. Just, you know, standard kind of, like nothing fancy, but just good wholesome food. We didn't take any footage because we were starving. But we have detoured, about 14 minutes detour into Mossburn, which is apparently the deer capital of New Zealand. We're coming to get fuel mostly, even though we've only used about a quarter of a tank, all the way from Queenstown. We just don't want to be caught out in Milford tomorrow. And we're just going to have a little check around the town, see what's around. There's other cafes here as well, called the Dome Cafe, which looks quite good if you would rather come into the town for lunch. But I thought the Five Rivers was good. I'd recommend. We're staying at the Freestone Lodges, a nice little Airbnb. It has a pretty cool feature, so we're on our way there now. And this is the view of the mountains.
Look at that.
We're just going to see a massive bushfire there.
Yeah. This feels like God's country.
Welcome to
Isengard.
Saruman.
Oh my god, look at all!
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love, keep the sky on your mind.